अपनी आज़ादी की 75वीं वर्षगांठ की शुरुआत कर रहे हैं। 15 अगस्त 1947 को देश आज़ाद हुआ था। इन 74 वर्षों में देश ने बहुत विकास किया, बहुत रास्ते देखे, कुछ ऊंच नीच भी देखी, कुछ गंभीर समस्याएं भी देखी, लेकिन ये देश बढ़ता चला गया। आज़ादी के समय हम 33 करोड़ थे, आज हम 140 करोड़ हैं। बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं। अधिक कुछ नहीं कहते हुए हम सब लोग, भारतीय कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी की ये परंपरा रही है। 1947 के बाद से हमारे पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय कार्यालय पर, राज्यों के कार्यालय पर, जिले के कार्यालयों के, प्रखंड और ब्लॉक के कार्यालयों पर हम राष्ट्रीय तिरंगा झंडा फहराते हैं। एक बहुत बड़े राष्ट्रवादी पार्टी संगठन है जिसका नाम है आरएसएस। 65 साल तक उन्होंने, 64 साल तक उन्होंने अपने दफ्तर में आज़ादी का तिरंगा झंडा ही नहीं फहराया। तो इसलिए हम, क्योंकि देश में आज़ादी के बाद और आज़ादी के दौर में कांग्रेस के बाद सबसे ज़्यादा स्वतंत्रता सेनानी भारतीय कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी है, इसलिए इस गौरव को हम समझते हैं, इस गौरव, राष्ट्रीय तिरंगे के गौरव को समझते हैं, और इसलिए हम हर साल 26 जनवरी, 15 अगस्त बड़े गौरव के साथ मनाते हैं। मैं अधिक कुछ न कहते हुए आज अजय भवन के पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय कार्यालय में मैं पार्टी के महासचिव साथी डी राजा से निवेदन करूंगा कि वो पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय ध्वज को वो लहरा करके हम लोग अपने इस स्वतंत्रता दिवस को मनाने की परंपरा को आगे बढ़ाएं।
देश की आजादी के लिए कुर्बान होने वाले शहीदों को लाल सलाम।
स्वतंत्रता दिवस जिंदाबाद,
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद,
स्वतंत्रता दिवस जिंदाबाद,
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद,
हमारी एकता जिंदाबाद,
जिंदाबाद
भारत की एकता जिंदाबाद,
जिंदाबाद,
हमारे स्वतंत्रता के वीर जवानों को जिंदाबाद,
जिंदाबाद, जिंदाबाद,
स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को भारत का सलाम। मैं अब निवेदन करूंगा पार्टी के महासचिव को, कॉमरेड डी राजा को, कि कुछ शब्द वो बोले।
Comrades, we are here to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. Our independence was not given to us on a platter by British. Our people fought, our people struggled, our people made sacrifices to win this independence. And our party played a frontline role in fighting the British, the colonial rule for independence. Our party was founded in the year 1925. AITC was founded in the year 1920, and Comrade Atul is General Secretary of Kisan Sabha. Kisan Sabha was formed in the year 1936. Comrade Wajah, Comrade Goria are there representing Khet Mazdoor Union. It was formed after that. Then our Vicky, our General Secretary ASF is there, and Comrade Thirumalai is there. They are all Aftab Alam. They are all representing our youth students. The AISF was formed in the year 1936, and Comrade Delhi Secretary, Comrade Dinesh is here. He was part of student movement, youth movement. Why I am referring these things? Our party and all the class organizations, mass organizations, led by our party leaders, stood in the forefront fighting British Raj, fighting British rule for independence. Our people made supreme sacrifices for the, Comrade Atul also referred how our party made sacrifices. In fact, I should tell you, if you go by the Sudandra Sanani Patra, freedom fighters list, Communist Party of India has the largest number of freedom fighters. And that is our history. We made such sacrifice for the independence of the country. Now, it is great irony in the history. RSS has come to the center stage. RSS was formed in the year 1925 as our party. But RSS did not play any role in the freedom struggle. In fact, RSS was collaborating with the British rule. Now, BJP is in government. The BJP government is RSS-controlled government, RSS-led government, and we love to fight for the liberation of our country once again. We fought for the liberation of country from British rule, colonial rule, and we won the independence on August 15, 1947. Now, there is a need, the situation demands we should fight against the BJP Raj and liberate this country from BJP Raj, BJP rule. That is the sankalp we should take. Today, Prime Minister Modi was addressing the nation. Whatever he spoke, nothing but jumlas, and he has been referring to the agricultural laws. They are good laws. They are not kala laws. I must ask Mr. Modi, if they are good laws, why you refuse to have discussion in Parliament? And you have made Parliament redundant. You have made Parliament ineffective. What sort of democracy Mr. Modi is speaking? And Modi, whatever he spoke, rhetorics, nothing but rhetorics. And he is betraying all the toiling masses. And he is determined to serve the interests of corporate houses, big business houses, our farmers, our agricultural workers, our employees, even our other young people of this country. They are all being ditched and they have no bright future. In such a situation, we need to continue our struggle, and those days we fought British Raj हटाओ देश बचाओ. अभी हम स्लोगन देना पड़ेगा BJP हटाओ देश बचाओ. And this is what we should take as a sankalp, as the pledge today. So, comrades, this is a challenge before us, and Communist Party of India will take up this challenge. And we are celebrating independence. It is not new for us, as Comrade Atul said. On Republic Day, we hoist our flag. On Independence Day, we hoist our flag. Not only in the national headquarters, we hoist our national flag all over the country. If at all some political force has moral right